No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we've made it to the driver's HQ, as you saw us previously washing the cars on the way here. So we're gonna have a little look round. We've got a few of the ST Owners Club here today, last minute turnout. So yeah, we'll have a little walk round guys, and hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you smash that subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, we're all in this corner. As Dirty Dancing said, nobody puts baby in the corner, but we're here with Kelly. That orange one's just going there. We've carded him. We've got Mr. Smedley. They've come in the Mondeo, look. It's cleaner than it was. We've even got Mel here today. The sun was shining, it's behind that building. We've got this lovely one here. This is Dan's daily driver now. Oh yeah, we've got Anthony here. And we've got, who else have we got? We've got Biddy here. We've got Vinny, look, off Emmerdale. We've got old Biddy. A new Biddy. Yeah, so let's have a quick look around the car park and we'll head round to the HQ and see what's in there. Yeah, it's lovely, that is. Looks nice in white with the short plates. Scirocco. Mark 7 Fezzer. Fabia. Loving the roof rack. Porsche with the white wheels. Got this lovely ST wagon over here in the tangerine. Got to love a wagon. And this is nice, this Golf. Got roll cage in it, lot. Carbon front end, wings and bonnet. GTI. Got the Audi in the corner. It's a big gangster whip. Lexus wagon. I'm not sure if these are part of the meet, but there's an Audi there. Got this one here on here, look, this Audi. Boss. See it? I like the wheels on that. Golf R. Another Golf with the carbon bonnet and wings and the mirror caps. Looking smart. So yeah, on this row we've got this Mini Cooper S Works in red. Got a nice bike there. Lexus. Got another ST here, look, in the grey. We've got Kate here in the Mark 6. Repping the stickers. Another Fez. Couple of BMs here. The meet's not lasting very long, everybody's going. So I better get around the corner. Subaru Legacy. STI. Looking smart with the rotor wheels. Golf R. Special Qashqai. Some pops and bangs coming in. Sounds nice. Got big tips on it. Got MX-5 there, look. And yeah, got this dirty ST. Looking, I like what he's done to it with the teal coloured stickers and stuff. And the AMG A45. Another ST just going now, look. Let's have a look around here then. Leeds. Golf R. Beamer. Golf GTI. Seat Cupra. Here comes the Fez and the Scirocco. Yes, we've got some flutter going. Bit of wheel spin. Monaro. And a big Porsche there. There's a few people stood up here, look. So we'll go see what this is all about. Lovely V8 bi-turbo. Loads of cars in here, guys, to look at. Some nice ones. Got the ST. 1 Series, Volvo. Big M3 in the satin matte black. This is a nice colour. And then you've got the Supra there. Audi TT. Beamer. That's nice. M5. Shame to see not many Fords in this section. Got a lovely skyline. Let's have a look at what's in here. Oh, hello. Can I go in here? Thank you. You alright? Yes, thank you. Are you? So yeah, this is the new HQ, guys. Looks like the shop's in there. And this is where all the cleaning and the detailing goes on. Looking very good with the reflections from the hex lighting. Nice flooring. This is nice, the Alpha. Showcasing their work. Inside looks spotless. Look at inside. Yeah, nice place. Right, we'll just get these cars on the outside. Lovely grey Audi there. And I love this colour, this Beamer. Got the Recaro chairs in there. Absolutely stunning colour. And there's a few cars over here. Look at the old E36 there. Nice Golf GTI. And that's a nice colour as well. They're all nice colours. M4 competition. We've got the K20 Civic there. Seat. Starlet Glanzer. And that you can see there, ladies and gents, is a Ferrari. Look at this.
You first start laughing, I went, I'm going.
An actual Ferrari.
It's a town called Ilkeston, which is in Paisley.
Nice V8. Help, mate. Right then, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button. Make sure you've subscribed. We're now off to the next meet in Derby at the Great Northern Classics. So if that goes well, that will be the next video, guys. So make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified of the new videos. Cheers.